What's up YouTube, this is King David and today I'm bringing you an unboxing video of Abyss Rising Special Edition. So I'm actually looking to build a Prophecy deck and maybe also a Mermail deck. I figured this would be as good a start as any, so hopefully I get lucky today. With that, I'll just get right into it. Originally I thought I was gonna go through these boxes nicely, but looks like I'm just gonna tear these apart and get right down into it. So from this pack, we've got Gaga Girl. I'll just push these off to the side. Alright, so the first pack, Mecha Sea Dragon Plesion, Heroic Advance, Fishboard Planter, Snow Dragon, Snow Dust Giant, Rare, I'll set that aside, Nimble Angler, Final Gesture, Snow Dust Dragon, Lemuria the Forgotten City. Okay, nothing all that great in there. Try and open these packs quickly so that this video isn't too long. Mecha Sea Dragon Plesion again, Mermaid Abyss Hild, House Dustin, Magic Deflector, Abyssstrom, Rare, Hermit of Prophecy. Alright, that's a start. A Dolce Marmalade, Heroic Challenger, Night Watchman, and Heroic Gift. And the last pack from the first box. Blader, Stoic of Prophecy. There's another. House Dustin, Mogmol, Mind Polluting Rare, Empress of Prophecy. Alright, so we've got a secret rare here. Not too bad. Missing Force, Mermail Abysslung, and Achacha Chanbara. Alright, so we're off to a good start here in the first box. Moving on to the second box. Yeah, these boxes actually suck to open. I should go back to the old ones, but work with what you have, right? Another Gaga Girl here. And right, packs number 2. Heroic Challenger, Extra Sword, Fishboard Planter, Abyss Warrior, Heraldic Beast, Aberconway, Mermail Abyssmander, Rare, Heroic Champion Kusanagi. Alright, so we've got a secret rare this. Set that off to the side. Sorry, that was an ultra rare for Empress of Prophecy, I just realized. I'm not too excited about it because normally Prophecy decks don't really run Empress of Prophecy, so still a good find nonetheless. So Solar Windjammer, Snow Dust Dragon again, and Rage of the Deep Sea. Second pack. So we've got Battle Break, Planet Pathfinder, Snow Dragon, Abyss Gale of the Kraken, Snow Dust Giant. I think we've got one of those. Rare. Number 9, Dyson Sphere, Ultimate Rare. Not bad, not bad. A lot of XYZ monsters here. One Shot Wand, Nimble Angler, and Grand Dram. Right, and the last pack of the second box. Mecha Sea Dragon Plesion. Are we starting with these? Mermaid Abyss Hild, House Dustin, Magic Deflector, Slushy, rare. I know a lot of people like that for some reason. And Thunder Seahorse. That's ultra rare here too. Heraldic Beast, Burner's Falcon, Heroic Gift, and Deep Sweeper. Alright, off to box number 3. So far so good, I would say. What do we get here? Gaga Girl again, that's 3 in a row. And next, I'm really hoping to pull a Grand Spellbook of Prophecy. I know that might take a lot of luck, but hopefully I get one. Rogue Challenger Extra Sword, Madolce Ticket, Fishboard Planter, Ape Magician, Umino Taurus, rare, set aside, Lemire, the Forgotten City, Solar Windjammer, Unification, and One Shot Wand. Next, Heroic Advance, Tripod Fish, Puny Penguin, Planet Pathfinder, Abyssstrom, rare, I'll take that. Fishborg Launcher, Achacha Chanbara, Metalizing Parasite, Soul Tight, and Final Gesture. Alright. Abyss Scale of the Kraken, Battle Break, Stoic of Prophecy, Different Dimension Deep Sea Trench, Papa Corn, rare. Alright, we've got a super rare Abyss Squall. Oh, that's my mistake. It's just a common. Nope, that is a rare. Nimble Angler, Final Gesture, and Snowdust Dragon. So we've got a super rare Abyss Squall here. I'll set that aside here too. Alright. After this box, we are halfway through. As you can tell, I don't really know my rarities. Just getting back into Yu-Gi-Oh! So we'll figure that out. Okay, so we've got a Dark Smog here. I should probably throw the Gaga Curls in here as well. Alright, first pack, 5th box. Fishboard Planter, Abyss Warrior, Heraldic Beast, Abyss Scale of the Kraken, Mermail Abyssmander. That's rare. Metalizing Parasite, Final Gesture, Rage of the Deep Sea, Heraldic Beast, Burner's Falcon. Okay. Mermail Abyss Hild, House Dustin, Magic Deflector, Heroic Challenger, Emperor of Prophecy. Not bad. Oh, no way. No way. Awesome. The Grand Spellbook Tower. I can't believe I just pulled this.